Here's a new 2018 Cadillac CT6 sedan. Aggressive and refined, powerful and controlled, this CT6 is performance reimagined and with stunning style. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, multi-zone climate control, power heated mirrors, hands-free liftgate, twin-turbo V6 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power reclining heated ventilated rear seats, magnetic fluid-filled rear shocks, automatic park assist 2, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Car and driver effuses, the CT6 is best appreciated in the real world, preferably in motion, whether it be catching the reflections of skyscrapers or charging along a challenging mountain road. For over 100 years, Cadillac has dared to drive the world forward. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Call us today at 1-866-389-4996.